Hello and welcome to another update video about silver. So silver is still looking good, yeah. Silver overall, we're here on the daily chart, still in this bullish structure. On the larger time frame from the 2020 low, we're tracking a C wave rally to the upside. So very, very long term, obviously. We had an initial 1-2 setup where the wave 2 bottomed in 2022, and we could now be in the third wave. But because we're dealing here with a larger diagonal pattern, the third wave is structured as an ABC structure. Other interpretations are possible, but so far this wave count has worked really well. We have here an ABC. That C wave topped in May this year. That forms again a three-wave move, as you can see here in wave A. This year, this pullback into the recent lows might have been a B wave. Let me zoom in first. We will take a look at the microstructure in a minute, but just wanted to share with you, this might have been all of the pullback we get, and we could now be in this next rally to the upside. Yeah. Alternatively, we might do this before we go higher, but overall I'm watching for higher prices. The microstructures on the 1 hour time frame will help us understand which one it is. First of all, at the moment, from this swing low that formed here in August, we've been looking for higher prices. And we had our breakout setup here. There was a trend line, which I've now taken off the chart. And I'm looking for 5 waves up from here. 5 waves up would be a first confirmation that we are, again, planning to go higher overall, possibly eventually to the $40-50 region. Here, from this swing low in August, I'm tracking a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, 5, but this is only the larger third wave, then possibly another 4, 5. Now this was my idea. I have to say though that last week, or this week actually, in the trading week, this fourth wave moved down a little bit too deep to be this wave 4 in this wave degree. Yeah, so in my interpretation here, the idea was we get one more high in wave 5 of circle wave 3, would then form circle wave 4 and get one more high in circle wave 5. However, I have to say it looks, with the pullback that we've seen, it looks more likely that actually we are working on circle wave 5 already, okay? Because this pullback was quite deep. It was a little bit too deep to be a wave 4 within circle wave 3. So yeah, below 50% retracement, we don't really want a wave 4 to go that low. Therefore, let's make a change in wave structure together. And I find it fits better if this circle wave 3 already finished here on the 20th of August. Circle wave 4 bottomed here most recently on the 22nd of August. And we can also adjust the support region. You see this fits much better because in this interpretation, the market actually touched the 38.2 fib level and is now rallying. That means going forward, we have to expect that or have to consider that the next rally could possibly be the last one here in this circle wave 5. I mean the last one in this rally before we get the next deeper pullback, which would then likely be an ABC structure. So let's put that onto the chart, ABC. And it would be a wave 1 here. So circle wave 5 might be wave 1. And you likely hear the dog in the background. So this would be a wave 1, yeah? And then the pullback would likely be a wave 2. So I can put that onto the chart, wave 1, wave 2. And that means the current rally could really be a fifth wave. And then the next pullback opportunity could come. These 5 waves to the upside, where should they land, or where should circle wave 5 land? So we can track that. Microstructures might have changed a little bit, but actually they are based on the initial, or the targets are based on the initial 1-2 setup. And they are the same, the fib level. So you see that the third wave here, circle wave 3, reached $30, the 1.618 extension. It typically would indicate that the fifth wave reaches 1 or 2 fib levels higher. So $30.23, $30.63 would be what I'm watching for next week. We can make the fib target area a little bit smaller to only show what really matters right now. And then once we see a top in place, possibly at 30.23 or 30.62, we can add the next support zone for yellow wave 2 to the chart. It is too early for that, which means in the very short term, we might watch for higher prices next week. Depends a little bit on how the market opens in this scenario. It is possible that this here was already a small wave 1, wave 2. We could now be working on wave 3 of 5, then get another 4 and a 5, which might really point towards that $30.60 level there. Yeah, and important is now that this scenario remains preferred as long as the market holds above this swing low that happened on Friday, formed on Friday at $29.15. So this would be the invalidation point for this microstructure to the upside. Also, let me actually change the wave degree here, increase the wave degree by 1. And that's pretty much it. I think that should prepare us for the next week, which means we have possible upside targets at $30.23, $30.62. We have an invalidation point of the microstructure at around $29.15. And below that, the next key level would be $28.80. Yeah, it would be really good to get one more high, because at the moment, this is only a 3-wave rally. But to get, so to be more bullish, we need those 5 waves. Then the next pullback should hold a higher low. That's the update about silver. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, as well as regular updates about stocks, feel free to check out our stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.